Hi, I'm Jason Hawanik. I'm the founder and CEO of Blue Truss. I've been a Woodforest resident since 2015. Recently, you've probably heard of a lot of roofing things going on within the neighborhood. Neighbors having their roofs replaced, leaks because of storms or water damage, and really builder-grade installations and builder-grade products starting to fail. The community is over 12 years old, and so we're going to start to see more and more of these things as time goes on. Every week, we get calls to come inspect roofs within Woodforest for leaks or for manufacturer defects. And I want to let you know that we're here to help. Blue Truss was founded with the motto that we're a different kind of roofing company. And I thought I'd tell you a little bit about what that means to me. We founded the company on the foundations of professionalism, communication, and transparency. We know it's important for you to know exactly what to expect from your roofing contractor. And we also know that that's not the typical experience. So we're going to go out of our way to make sure that working with us at Blue Truss feels just like the best customer service arrangements you've ever experienced in your life. Next, quality. It's really important to us that we install roof systems with the highest level of quality. And in fact, we're excited to announce that recently we've been invited into a leading manufacturer's Master Elite Certified program that only 2% of contractors nationwide can say that they're a part of. That's really important to you as a customer, because what that means is we're able to offer warranties that exceed the original manufacturer's warranty. And in fact, in this neighborhood, when we install a GAF roof system, we're able to offer manufacturer defect coverage up to 50 years and up to 25 years of workmanship coverage. That means if your shingles were to fail early, or if something would happen during the install, like a low nail or a toe board or a piece of flashing, you know that you're covered and the manufacturer themselves is going to back up the installation. Lastly, let me leave you with this. We're your neighbors. We live in the same community. We cross paths at the grocery store or on the walking trails. Our kids go to the same school. We're here to help. If you have any questions when it comes to your roof, even if it's just that something doesn't look right and you want to get an opinion on what you could do, give us a call. You could also follow the link below to our website and see what some of our neighbors in this community say about working with us. We're Blue Truss. We're a different kind of roofing company.